get drunk. Yes, we have still another 1 day for photo shoot and filming. I'm so drunk last night. That's why I speak English fluently last night, Chanel. Where is my Stony? Stony is worried about me if I got money. Always asking me if I need money. Huh? Okay, measure the road also please after drunk. Yeah, this is the road going to the city. Wow, it's very tall. Oh, the sugar cane is very tall. The truck today, bar open or not? A bank anytime. 24/7. Oh, so scary. Scary because it's big and very tall truck. Of it's very dangerous. Guys, enjoy your time. Yeah, we will going to Bacolod City, back to the city. We came from Cadiz, Lacawon Beach Resort Island. That was an island. So luckily, and we're just thankful that the weather cooperate with our jiga. We do our filming and photo shoot and everything. Of course, unwind ourselves after a stressful year of working in the office. So, bye, Madam. What's that? It's a puto Manapla. We are here in the Manapla and are selling puto. The white one is the nice one. So what? Girlas, ikaw lang girlas tag-uwan putos. Ano to no? White kabilog ko? Pila kabilog? Shit lang eh. Kabilog. Oo, okay. 100 lang ga. We will just share with each other. White and violet. Ang cheese na. Cheese kag ube.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, this is the this is the puto. Very nice puto. Thank you so much, my friend. This is the puto. And we will taste the puto if it's very nice.
Ang competition wala yan. Para naman
Nice.
nag-100 liters ang competition pa rin. Oh my god, 100 liters now.
The truck of the sugar cane. Karon lang kumayo na. Yung kapis di ba?
Bye-bye.
Ah,
Oo, biglang umana, diba? Bye-bye.
Ari ya daw hindi na migit ang ako na tilawan sa dahon na
gata.
Oo, nyangit tagapilit-pilit. Laway niya daw wala niya gata kag wala ka pilit-pilit. That's the sugar cane. The sugar cane. Laway niya.